Oh shit. Damn boy. Finally getting that snowball. Ooh wee. Let me crank this thing up for you. Yes sir, 300 gang. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let me fix that real quick. That's crazy. Oh, oh, boy, that rumble, boy, that bitch be backfiring and shit. Hey, man, I'll tell y'all what. If I did decide to get rid of this car, I think I would regret it later on in life, man. But I love this car, y'all. Just let me say that. But hey, man, let's cut right to the video, man. So yeah, man, in regards to that video, because I don't think I mentioned this in the other video, timeline wise. So here's the thing, man. I started clearing to get out the Army on the 29th. That's a couple weeks ago. I'll be retired, basically, long story short. And I will drop a video for that in the upcoming week. And, yeah. But timelines in terms of the Supercharger or the new car, realistically, either or. It's not going to be both. Well, technically it could be both. She's actually fine with that. So long as I paid this one out, she was fine with that. But we're speaking realistically here. Realistically, what's going to end up happening is I'm going to purchase one of those things, Supercharger or the new car. It's a matter of which one. But the time, in terms of when, this is going to be January, February. So it's November now. I got about, I'll say 2 months, month and a half, 2 months, till I ultimately have to decide on which one I'm gonna do. And yeah, like, it is what it is at that point. So one of these will definitely be getting purchased. But like I said in the previous video, man, I got a little minute till I'm actually going through and dropping the money on whichever one it is. So in the meantime, what I need y'all to do, man, is it's definitely starting to snow for real now. In the meantime, I need y'all to keep boosting analytics, man. I need y'all to let me know. Oh shit. I need y'all to let me know what it is that y'all would do, man. Like, for real, what would y'all do? It's crazy because it's not like a tough situation or nothing. Like, it ain't nothing crazy to decide. It kind of is a big decision, but it ain't nothing like super hard, you know? Like, I ain't gotta sit back and I ain't gotta work finances or none of that kind of shit. Like, none of that. Everything is done. Everything is decided. It's just which one. But like I said, man, I got time. I got tons of time for this. So y'all do y'all thing in the comments, man. Share this video. Like the video, drop a comment on what y'all would do, what your recommendation is, what you think is best for the channel. And this is strictly in terms of content. Either way, I'll enjoy whatever car it is, or this car, because I love this car. Either way it go, I'm a happy camper. I just kind of want y'all input to see what y'all think about this. And yeah, man, on that note,